Lajan baro ki college hak jilla minta ki la Pdiang bat minjur ban Pyntreikam no ek national education policy bat minta ke jinge kren kadang ya chakmat ban ya wer se ki we ki college ban board ya kini ke juk kelinti ong Myntri ke terat puliputhi urakam e sangma. Habaju bab halor ke jingkeli Myntri ulai thu bak sorkar jilla bat ke nehu ki la dep ya kren bat ki principal bat ki bor penyak jung ki college ban pentikna bak ke jing Pyntreikam ya ke NEP kan ya bet ya renti.
The future of our students is more important than any other things. Look, earlier I think you were aware that colleges, they have written to the state government that we are not ready. We also written to the NEHU that our colleges are not ready. But however, after deliberation, the needs of the hour and urgency of this introduction, now all the colleges of our state, they implemented and they have taken the high importance of the future of our students. So now look, what the issue is being going on, there may be some personal issue, maybe some is I would request them to sort it out between them, because there is no opposition from any students, and there is no opposition any principals, and there is no position in the management, because the colleges are being managed by the management and the head of the institutions, they knows better. Therefore we live up to the management and the head of the institutions. It's nothing to do with this, because it's a central university. If they have the issue in between them, let the NEHU, the NEHUTA, MCTA be sorted out for the interest of our students. Look, what will happen is, look, this is a 2023. So most of the state and the university has already adopted and implemented 4-year degree courses. So if we continue in the 3-year degree courses, our students will graduate in 2026. In 2026, our graduate students, where they will go for admission? If they go to Assam, if they go to Delhi, if they go to some other state, like Mizoram and other states, university, since they are already implemented NEP and the 4-year graduate courses, I'm doubt whether our students will be eligible for further studies for the 4-year graduate course or not. Therefore, it is very, very, very important at the interest of our students, so that our students should not be left out subject. But the thing is, the 4-year graduate course in the state of Meghalaya, but the Northeastern Hill University. So all the colleges, I think 99% of the colleges of the state has already implemented, and the classes for 4-year graduate courses already been started in almost all the colleges of the state, and we are in touch with the head of the institutions and the management.